Hello parents, welcome to orientation program. Myself Arun Singh. I teach mathematics and physics from grade 6 to 10. Today I am here to brief you about the different subjects and assessment criteria which we follow in our school. The subjects included in grade 1 and 2 are English, Hindi, Marathi, Mathematics, Science and ICT. Marathi is non-evaluative subject in grade 1, whereas students take exam in Marathi subject in grade 2. The subject which we offer in grade 3 and 4 are English, Hindi, Marathi, Mathematics, Science, ICT and Humanities. The subject which are included from 5 to 8 are English, Hindi, Marathi, French, Mathematics, Science, ICT and Humanities. The subject which we offer in grade 9 and 10 are English, Hindi, French, Physics, Chemistry, Biology, ICT and Geography. Other than academics, we offer many co-curricular activities in our school. The co-curricular activities which we follow from grade 1 to 5 are art, craft, dance, sports. The co-curricular activity which are included from grade 6 to 9 are dance, drama. Drama is taken by Helen O'Grady, which is a London-based company. Sports. Now moving to assessment criteria. Our academic session is divided into two, first and second term. Each term consists of one unit test and a term exam. Now moving to grade 1 and 2, unit test for all the subject is of 20 marks and then it is converted into 100. Term exams, written paper for all the subject is of 40 marks and then it is converted to 70, and 30 marks is for internal assessment. Now IA for languages are as follows: 5 marks each for listening, speaking and reading. Class test of 15 marks. A teacher will conduct 5 tests, out of which best 4 will be counted. If a student is absent, no re-exam will be conducted. ICT internal assessment distribution of marks are class test 15 marks, lab work 10 marks, class work 5 marks. Coming to internal assessment for mathematics, class test of 15 marks, 5 marks class work, 5 marks for homework and 5 marks for oral test. Now for science internal assessment, class test is of 15 marks, lab work for 10 marks, homework and classwork of 5 marks. Now moving to grade 5 to 8, unit test is of 25 marks which will be converted to 100%. Term exams, all written papers are of 70 marks except ICT which is of 60 marks. And internal assessment for all subjects are of 30 marks except ICT which is of 40 marks. Internal assessment for languages are 5 marks each for listening, speaking and reading. Class test is of 15 marks. ICT internal assessment is of 40 marks, class test 15 marks, lab work 20 marks and class work is of 5 marks. Coming to the internal assessment for science, class test is of 15 marks, lab work of 10 marks, homework and class work of 5 marks. Internal assessment for mathematics, class test 15 marks, 5 marks for class work, 5 marks for homework and 5 marks for oral test. Humanities, class test is of 15 marks, 5 marks for class work and 10 marks for project. Now coming to grade 9 and 10, unit test is of 25 marks for each subject and it is converted to 100 marks. Term exams are conducted as per Cambridge board. Thank you very much. Have a great day.